Hi, hello dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the formation of differential equation. In the previous episode, we discussed differential equation definition and the types of differential equations, ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. And in intermediate level, that means 10 plus 12, 10 plus 2 or 12th class in CBSE, we will discuss about only ordinary differential equations. These concepts we learned in the previous session. Now in this session, we are going to discuss the formation of differential equation. It is very important for 4 marks or 2 marks. So how we are going to form the differential equation? I will discuss here the procedure. After that, based on the procedure, we will discuss some examples. Easy to understand that. So here, y equal to f of x comma alpha 1 comma alpha 2 comma alpha 3 comma and so on alpha n, equation 1. Suppose that this equation, an equation where alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and so on alpha n, which are parameters, that means arbitrary constants occurring in this equation, representing a family of curves. A family of curves, it is given. That means y is equal to f of x be a function. In this function, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and so on alpha n are the parameters of the equation. So, to form the differential equation, we need to eliminate these arbitrary constants or parameters by differentiation. See that by successively differentiating one, a differential equation of the form this y is equal to f of x be a function of this, we have to differentiate successively one by one. How means here alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n constants are there, no arbitrary constants. Suppose only one constant is there, one time you have to differentiate and eliminate the arbitrary constant and write the differential equation. Suppose here f of x comma alpha 1 comma alpha 2 is there, two arbitrary constants are there. We have to differentiate twice. First time you have to differentiate and eliminate, and second time also differentiate. After that, from these equations you can solve and simplify and eliminate the arbitrary constants alpha 1 and alpha 2 respectively. Suppose if it is 3 arbitrary constants are there, 3 times you have to differentiate and solve the equation simultaneously and eliminate the respective arbitrary constants and get the answer. See, after differentiating, the equation is going to get this form, capital F of x comma y dash comma y square and so on y power n. Here y dash y power 2, that means here second order derivative. Here second order derivative, it is not y square, it is the second order derivative. Y power 1 means first order derivative. Y power n, nth derivative of y, second derivative of y, first derivative of y. Like this we can discuss. One constant is there, only f of x comma y will be there, only f of x comma y dash. Two constants are there, f of x comma y dash comma y dash, second order derivative y2, it will be there like this way. Suppose n terms are there, n arbitrary constants are there, f of x comma y dash y double dash or second derivative of y and so on, nth derivative of y equal to 0 can be formed by eliminating the parameters or arbitrary constants alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and so on alpha n. This process is called formation of differential equation. This procedure is called formation of a differential equation. For example, I will give the two examples. I will take one constant, one arbitrary constant, and another arbitrary constant also I will take, and I will explain that. How we are going to form the differential equation to the corresponding given equation. For a best example, suppose if you observe that y is equal to mx, we know that it is a geometrical equation. Y is equal to mx is a line which is passing through the origin. This represents a family of straight lines which is passing through the origin with slope m. This equation can be write as y means y in terms of x only, no, y f of x comma alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on. What I am writing is this is equal to f of m comma x, where x is the variable, m is a parameter. Parameter is arbitrary constants. In this equation, if you observe that, how many arbitrary constants are there? Only one constant is there, that is m. So, if it is in this equation, only one arbitrary constant is there, how many times you have to differentiate? One time you have to differentiate. So, for one time you have to differentiate and eliminate the arbitrary constant from the equation. See here, differentiate with respect to x, y derivative is dy by dx, which is equal to m is a constant into x derivative is 1, dy by dx of x is 1. So dy by dx is equal to m, we got it. Therefore, m is equal to dy by dx. After getting of this value, substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. That is, substitute in equation 1. Therefore, y is equal to, in place of m, dy by dx into x. That x we can take this side. Dy by dx is equal to y by x. That y by x also we can take this side. Dy by dx minus y by x is equal to 0. This is the differential equation to the corresponding given family of straight lines which are passing through the origin. This I have taken only one arbitrary constant m here. I will take another example by taking two arbitrary constants. See here, example 1 it is, and another example 2. Y is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x is a function, is a equation. Form the differential equation to the corresponding equation y is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x. First you have to observe that how many arbitrary constants are there in this equation. A and b, which are arbitrary constants. So like alpha 1, alpha 2. So two arbitrary constants are there. You have to differentiate twice. So you put as equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative is y1. Instead of writing dy by dx, y1 also we can write it according to the convenience, which is equal to constant into function. So wherever constant into function is there, constant you can take outside. After that, the rest of the function you have to differentiate. So a into d by dx of e power x is e power x plus b into d by dx of e power minus x minus e power minus x. So first time differentiation is over. After that, what we have to do? Second time also we have to differentiate. Why? Because two arbitrary constants are there. Again differentiate with respect to x. So y1 derivative, d by dx of y1 is y2, second order derivative, equal to a into d by dx of e power x is e power x plus b into minus is also constant, e power minus x derivative is minus e power minus x. So which is equal to a e power x minus into minus is plus b e power minus x. From equation 1, in place of a e power x into b e power minus x, you have to replace with y. Therefore, y2 is equal to y. That y we can take this side. y2 means what? D square y by dx square. That y we can take this side, minus y equal to 0. Which is the differential equation? Which is a differential equation. DE means differential equation. To the corresponding equation. To the corresponding given equation. So here one constant is there, we got dy by dx minus some function. If it is two constants are there, d square y by dx square. This is the way you have to get the formation of a differential equation. We will take more examples in this session. We will discuss all the important different category of questions we will discuss in this session. The next question. Form the differential equation corresponding to y equal to cx minus 2c square, where c is a parameter. They mentioned particularly c is a parameter. That means only one constant is there. So we have to differentiate once. So first given equation y equal to cx minus 2c square. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx equal to c into x derivative is 1 minus completely constant derivative is 0. So dy by dx equal to c. To eliminate the arbitrary constant c from the given equation, substitute the value of c in equation 1. C equal to dy by dx. Substitute in 1. We get y equal to dy by dx into x minus 2 into dy by dx whole square, which is the differential equation, to the given equation or given corresponding equation. That's all answer. The next question. Form the differential equation corresponding to y equal to a cos 3x plus b sin 3x. Here if you observe that a and b are parameters, that means two constants are there, two arbitrary constants are there. So we have to differentiate twice. So first given equation y equal to capital A into cos 3x plus capital B into sin 3x. Equation number 1. So differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is y1. Like this also we can write, not every time dy by dx. Capital A is constant, d by dx of cos 3x minus 3 sin 3x. Otherwise, first d by dx of cos 3x is minus sin 3x. Again 3x you have to differentiate 3. That is the reason minus 3 sin 3x. Plus b into d by dx of sin 3x. 3 into cos 3x. So it will becomes y1 equal to minus 3a into sin 3x plus 3b into cos 3x. One more time you have to differentiate. Now two constants are there. So again differentiate with respect to x. So y1 derivative is y2 minus 3a constant d by dx of sin 3x 3 cos 3x plus 3b into d by dx of cos 3x minus 3 sin 3x. So y2 equal to minus 9a into cos 3x minus 9b into sin 3x. Minus 9 take common and the rest of the terms it forms a cos 3x plus b sin 3x. If this bracket value, if you observe that it is equal to y, therefore y2 equal to minus 9 into y since from equation 1. So minus 9y we can take this side, y2 plus 9y is equal to 0. That is d square y by dx square plus 9 into y equal to 0, which is the required differential equation, which is the differential equation to the corresponding given equation or given corresponding equation. Corresponding given equation. This question is very, very important for 2 marks or 4 marks. You remember that, dear students? Very important. The next question. Form the differential equation corresponding to the family of circles of radius r given by x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square, where a and b are parameters. That means 2 constants are given. So first, given equation or given family of circles. Simply write given equation better. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. Put that as equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x. X squared. Differentiate with respect to x. So 2 into x minus a whole power 2 minus 1. Again x minus a derivative is 1. Plus y minus b whole square. 2 into y minus b. Again y minus b derivative is y1. Equal to r square derivative is 0. 2 common you can take outside. And 0 by 2 will become also 0. So x minus a plus y minus b into y1 is equal to 0. From this you can make x minus a value subject. You can keep outside. Minus x minus a equal to minus of y minus b into y1. You put it in box. You put as equation number 2. After that, again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. X minus a derivative is 1 plus uv formula y minus b into d by dx of y1, y2. Again differentiate means y1 will become as y2. Plus y1 into y minus b derivative is y1 is equal to 0. That implies that y minus b into y2 plus y1 square plus 1 equal to 0. Again from this, y minus b into y2 equal to minus of 1 plus y1 square. Y minus b make as a subject, y minus b equal to minus of 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. You put it in box this value. Now equation 2 substitute in equation 1. Equation 2 substitute in equation 1. Even here also equation 3 you can. Equation 1 we get, in place of x minus a, this value, minus of y minus b into y1 whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to so in this equation 2 you can substitute now this y minus b value now. After differentiating here you can substitute y minus b whole square equal to r square. 1 minute. Now we are able to comfort this. See here, after that minus whole square, it will become as plus. So it will becomes y minus b whole square into y1 square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. You take common here y minus b whole square, and the rest of the terms y1 square plus 1 is equal to r square, put as equation number 4. After getting of this one, y minus b is there now here. Equation 3, substitute in equation 4. Equation 3, substitute in 4. We get, in place of y minus b, this value, minus of 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. This is y minus b whole square into 1 plus y1 square is equal to r square. So minus whole square will become plus anyway. 1 plus y1 square whole square divided by y2 square into 1 plus y1 square is equal to r square. That implies cross multiply 1 plus y1 square whole square into 1 plus y1 square. So 1 plus y1 square whole cube is equal to r square into y2 square. Now wherever y1 and y2 is there, you have to replace with d square y by dx square dy by dx. So now 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 equal to r square into d square y by dx square whole square, which is the differential equation, which is the required differential equation, to the corresponding given family of circles, with center H and center A comma B and radius is R. No need to mention, this is enough. This is the required differential equation. We'll move to the next question. Next question, we will enter into the exercise 8A in Telugu Academy Intermediate, second year. First question, find the order under differential equation of the differential equation obtained by eliminating arbitrary constants B and C from this equation. They mentioned that B and C are the arbitrary constants. So two constants are there. So we have to differentiate twice. So first, given equation xy equal to c e power x plus b e power minus x plus x square. After that, this x square you can take this side. Xy minus x square equal to c e power x plus b e power minus x. Put as equation number 1. Now differentiate with respect to x first time. UV formula, x into y derivative is y1 plus y into x derivative is 1 minus x square derivative is 2x, which is equal to c into e power x derivative is e power x plus b into e power minus x derivative is minus e power minus x. So it will becomes x into y1 plus y minus 2x c e power x minus b e power minus x. One more time you have to differentiate now. So again differentiate with respect to x. So uv again, x into y1 derivative is y2 plus y1 into x derivative is 1 plus y derivative is y1 minus 2x derivative is 2 equal to c into e power x derivative is e power x minus b into e power minus x derivative is minus e power minus x. So x into y2, y1 plus y1 is 2y1 minus 2 equal to c into e power x, minus into minus is plus, b e power minus x. So xy2 plus 2y2 minus 2. Since from equation 1 in place of this you have to replace xy minus x square. Since from equation 1, so this xy minus x square we can take this sign, xy2 plus 2y2, these values I am taking this sign, minus xy plus x square minus 2 equal to 0, which is the required differential equation. Wherever y2 is there, you can replace with 2 into s. y1 plus y1 is 2y1, no? It is not y2, it is y1. Sorry. X into, that is x into d square y by dx square, we can write like this also, plus 2 into dy by dx minus xy plus x square minus 2 equal to 0, which is the required differential equation, which is the required differential equation to the given equation. Simple. This is the way you have to do that. Sorry dear students, here they are asking, find the order of the differential equation. No? Here, what is the order of the differential equation? Two constants are there, means 2 times. So, the order of the differential equation, the order of differential equation is equal to 2. Why? Because d square by dx square is there, no? 2 times. So, order is 2. Yeah, next question here. Find the order of the differential equation of the family of all the circles with their centers at origin. What is the equation of family of circles whose center at origin? X square plus y square equal to a square or r square. We have the equation of family of all the circles with their centers at origin is x square plus y square equal to r square. This is the given equation. How many arbitrary constants are there? R square. Only one constant is there. So differentiate with respect to x. X square derivative is 2x plus y square derivative is 2y into dy by dx, which is equal to r square derivative is 0. Now 2 take common and we can take that side, 0 by 2 is 0. So it will becomes x into y dy by dx equal to 0, which is the required differential equation, which is the required differential equation to the corresponding given equation, to the corresponding given equation. And they are asking order also, order. Therefore, not only this one, the order of differential equation is, how many constants are there here? Only one constant, so order is 1. And dy by dx here also, first derivative only, no, so it will be 1. You remember that, dear students, in the given equation, how many arbitrary constants are there? So which is equal to the number of arbitrary constants in the equation is equal to the order of the differential equation. We'll move to the next question. The next question. Form the differential equation of the curve y equal to c into x minus c whole square, where c is an arbitrary constant. Only one constant is there. So the equation is y equal to c into x minus c whole square. So first given equation y equal to c into x minus c whole square. Put that as equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is y1 equal to c constant you can take outside. X power n formula, n into x power n minus 1. 2 into x minus c. Again x minus c derivative is 1. So y1 equal to 2c into x minus c. You keep it equation number 2. After getting only one constant is there, we have differentiated one time. That's all. After that, equation 2 by equation 1 I am doing now. Equation 2 divided by equation 1. If you go this way, it will be very easy to get it. Otherwise, it is difficult. That implies that equation 2. So, this value I am writing first RHS side. 2c into x minus c divided by RHS side. This value is what? C into x minus c whole square, which is equal to y1 divided by y. So here c get cancelled and one of the x minus c also get cancelled. 2 by x minus c is equal to y1 divided by y. Cross multiply 2y equal to y1 into x minus c. From that x minus c make as a subject. So 2y divided by y1 is equal to x minus c. After that, c also make as a subject. So from this, c equal to minus c we can take this side. So x minus 2y by y1. X minus c value and c values substitute in equation 1. So we get y equal to, in place of c, x minus 2y by y1, x minus 2y by y1. In place of x minus c, 2y by y1 whole square, 2y by y1 whole square. Now simplifying, y equal to x y1 minus 2y divided by y1 into 4y square divided by y1 square. Cross multiply. So here y1 square into y1 is y1 cube. Y into y1 cube is equal to 4y square into xy1 minus 2y. So one of the y will be cancelled here. y1 cube is equal to 4y into xy1 minus 2y. Actual multiplication you have to do that. y1 cube equal to 4xy into y1 minus 8y square. These values we can take this side. y1 cube minus 4xy into y1 plus 8y square equal to 0. Wherever y1 is there, you have to replace with dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx whole cube minus 4xy into dy by dx plus 8y square is equal to 0, which is the required differential equation, which is the required differential equation, to the given equation, to the corresponding given equation, to the corresponding given equation. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. If you have any doubts in this regard, you can write to my comment box. I will respond. Thank you all. The next question. Form the differential equation corresponding to xy equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x. Observe that here a comma b are parameters. How many arbitrary constants are there? A comma b, two arbitrary constants are there. So whenever two arbitrary constants are there, two times you have to differentiate and eliminate the arbitrary constant to get the differential equation. So first given equation you have to write it. Given equation xy equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x put as equation number 1. So first time you have to differentiate. Two constants are there now. So one time first you have to differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. UV formula here, x into y. X into y derivative is y1 plus y into x derivative is 1 equal to a into e power x derivative is e power x plus b into e power minus x derivative is minus e power minus x. So it will becomes x into y1 plus y equal to a e power x minus b e power minus x. First time differentiation is over. Next second time you have to do that. Again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. So again UV formula for x into y1. X into y1 derivative is y2 plus y1 into x derivative is 1 plus y derivative is y1 equal to a into e power x derivative is e power x minus b into e power minus x derivative is minus e power minus x. So here x into y2, y1 plus y1 to y1 is equal to a e power x, minus into minus is plus, b into e power minus x. Since from equation 1, in place of a e power x plus b e power minus x, we have to replace with xy, which is equal to xy. So xy2 plus 2y1 equal to xy. Therefore, we can write in the, wherever y2 is there, d square y by dx square. So x into d square y by dx square plus 2 into y1 means dy by dx. That xy also we can take this side, minus xy equal to 0, which is the required differential equation to the corresponding given equation, which is the required differential equation. dA means differential equation to the corresponding equation, to the corresponding given equation. The next question. form the differential equation corresponding to y equal to a plus bx into e power kx, where a comma b are parameters. So here also two constants are there except k. They did not mention only a comma b parameters they mentioned, means you have to eliminate from the given equation a comma b and form the differential equation. So first given equation you have to write it. Y equal to a plus bx into e power kx. Keep that equation number 1. So first term you have to differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. dwrtx. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is y1, which is equal to, here u into ev formula we are applying. dy dx of uv. U into first function into dy dx of second function plus second function into dy dx of first function. So here first function into a plus bx into d by dx of e power kx. d by dx of e power ax is a e power ax. So in place of a, what is there? K e power kx plus second function into e power kx into d by dx of first function. d by dx of a constant 0 plus d by dx of bx. b constant, x derivative is 1. So y1 equal to a plus bx into e power kx into k plus b into e power kx. Once you observe that in the first term a plus bx into e power kx, from equation 1 it will become as y, no? Since from equation 1 in place of a plus bx e power kx, we can write it as y1 equal to y into k plus b into e power kx. So now what I am doing is yk I am taking this side. So y1 minus yk is equal to b into e power kx. You put as equation number 2. Once again you have to differentiate now. Once again you have to differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. y1 derivative is y2 minus k constant y derivative is y1 equal to b into, in e power kx derivative is k into e power kx. So y2 minus k into y1, which is equal to k into b e power kx. Since we know that b e power kx, we have the value of b e power kx in place of b e power kx. From equation 2, y1 minus yk you have to replace here. Since from equation 2, so it will becomes y2 minus ky1 is equal to k into, in place of b e power k, y1 minus yk. So y2 minus ky1. ky1 we are taking this side, minus ky1. K minus k, that means yk. K square into y, minus we can take this as plus. So k square into y is equal to 0. Now wherever y2 minus 2k y1 plus k square y is equal to 0. Wherever y2 y1 is there, d square y by dx square, dy by dx you have to replace. So d square y by dx square minus 2k into dy by dx plus k square y equal to 0, which is the required differential equation, which is the required differential equation to the given equation. The next question. Form the differential equation corresponding to y equal to a into cos nx plus b, where a comma b are parameters. So here also a comma b are parameters means we have to differentiate twice. So first time we have to differentiate. First we have to write a given equation. What is given equation here? Y equal to a into cos of nx plus b. Put that as equation number 1. So differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is y1. A is constant. D by dx of cos of nx plus b minus sin of nx plus b. Again we have to differentiate this one now, nx plus b. D by dx of nx, n. D by dx of b constant is 0. D by dx of cos ax is minus a cos x. Here a is equal to n. That is the reason here we are getting. So now y1 equal to minus na into sin of nx plus b. N into minus a minus na sorry, sin of nx plus b. Once again, you have to differentiate now. Why? Because two constants are there, arbitrary constants. Again, differentiate with respect to x. Again, differentiate with respect to x. Y1 derivative is y2 minus na constant. D by dx of sin of nx plus b, cos of nx plus b. Again, nx plus b you have to differentiate. D by dx of nx is n. And b derivative constant is 0. So y2 equal to minus na into n, that means n square a into cos of nx plus b. And you have to remember, from this a into cos of nx plus b value is what? Y. So in place from equation 1, y2 equal to minus n square y, that value we can take this side, y2 plus n square y equal to 0. You have to write in place of y2 you have to write d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square plus n square y is equal to 0. Which is the required differential equation, to the given equation. The next question. Obtain the differential equation which corresponds to the rectangular hyperbolas which have the coordinate axis as asymptotes. See here, what is the equation of rectangular hyperbolas which have the coordinate axis as asymptotes? So it will be in the hyperbola chapter, the equation, I will write it here. The equation or the family of equations. The equation of rectangular hyperbolas whose which have same thing, whatever is in the question there, that we have to write it, which have the coordinate axis as asymptotes is xy equal to c square, where c is a constant. Xy equal to c square. Here how many constants are there? C square, only one constant is there. So one constant is there means you have to differentiate one time and eliminate the constant c. So differentiate with respect to x. So uv formula you can apply here. X into y derivative is y1 plus y into x derivative is 1 and constant derivative is 0. So x into y1 plus y equal to 0. Write in place of y1 dy by dx. X into dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Which is the required differential equation, to the given equation. The next question. Obtain the differential equation which corresponding to the ellipse with centers at the origin and having coordinate axis as axis. First you have to write the family of equation of ellipse whose center at origin and having the coordinate axis as axis. That means standard equation of ellipse. See here the equation of ellipse with centers at the origin and having coordinate axis as axis. So is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, which is equation number 1. After that, in this, how many constants are there? You have to recognize. In previous question, they are mentioned in a bracket. So here you have to recognize a and b are the two constants. You have to eliminate these two arbitrary constants by doing 2 times differentiation. So here, differentiate with respect to x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x square derivative is 2x divided by a square, 1 by a square constant, x square derivative is 2x plus y square derivative is 2y into y1 divided by b square equal to 0. 2 take common and we can take this side, so it will becomes 2 into x by a square plus y1 by b square is equal to 0. 2 we can take this side, 0 by anything is 0. So x by a square plus y1 by b square is equal to 0. Put as equation number 2. Already one we have taken now. One more time I have to differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to x. X by a square. 1 by a square constant, x derivative is 1. So 1 by a square into x derivative is 1 plus 1 by b square into y1 uv formula. Y into y1 derivative is y2 plus y1 into y derivative is y1. Once again I will explain here. 1 by b square constant, y into y1. Y is u, y1 is v. So y into y1 derivative is y2 plus y1 into y derivative is y1. So 1 by a square plus 1 by b square y into y2 plus y1 square, which is equal to 0. Put as equation number 3. Now we are going to solve equation 2 and equation 3. In this equation 2, x by a square is there. In this equation 1 by a square is there. So here to eliminate a square term in both the equations, this equation you have to multiply with x. Equation 3 multiplying with x. That implies that x by a square plus x by b square into y2 plus y1 square is equal to 0. Put as equation number 4. Now solving 2 and 4. Solving 2 and 4. Here solving means subtracting equation 2 minus equation 3 or equation 4 minus equation 2. Better to write solving equation 2 and 4, that is equation 4 minus equation 2. So equation 4, that is x by a square plus x by b square into y by 2 plus y1 square minus equation 2, each and every term multiplying by minus x by a square minus y by 1 by b square equal to 0. So here minus x by a square plus x by a square get cancelled. From these two you can take common 1 by b square. From these two take common 1 by b square. Easy to recognize. 1 by b square if you take common, x into y2 plus y1 square minus y1 is equal to 0. 1 by b square constant you can take that side. You will get x into y2 plus y1 square minus y1 equal to 0. So xy into y2 plus x into y1 square minus y1 equal to 0. Right, wherever y2 is there, d square y by dx square. Wherever y1 is there, you have to write dy by dx. Now x ey into d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx whole square minus y into dy by dx equal to 0, which is the required differential equation, which is the required differential equation, to the corresponding given equation. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. Thank you all.